A lot of movies on YouTube show you how to break a lock, a padlock. I don't know why you want to break a padlock, but anyways, there it is. You take two wrenches, you put them through the loop of the steel bar of the lock, and then you pry and it splits the lock open. It works. So what does that mean? Anything that you padlock, if a thief wants it, all the thief has to do is carry two wrenches and break your padlock. So that's not very secure. But it is secure if you do this. When I leave on a trip, I padlock my door. Okay? Now they're going to try to stick two wrenches in there. Someone wants to get in and break it. See this? I've got steel washers in there. You just slip them on when the lock's open, and you have these steel washers. Now there is no place for wrenches to be put in. They've got to hammer or saw this lock apart, which they're not going to do. They're not going to go through the trouble. No, they brought two wrenches. They want to break the lock open. They can't, because I have these washers on there.